Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you two basic commands that can be used to check and repair issues in your disk, or you can call it in your hard drive, using the Windows 7, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, because this command works for any of the versions of Windows you have. To have information about this command, to know this command, just simply log into your command prompt as administrator, CMD. Okay, run as administrator. Okay, just simply click yes. Okay, at the interface of the Windows command prompt, just simply the first command I'm going to show you is just type in the command CHK and DSK. That simply stands for check disk. DSK, just a short form of check disk. Once you have typed in that command is used to check and repair issues in the disk. Just simply press enter. The type of the file system is running disk already. Okay, so you can find this command is used to check and repair issues in the disk. Let's say that your hard disk drive has an issue, or this command, it will take, it's going to check all the files you have in your disk, so in case there are corrupted ones, it will help to repair. That's take what the system don't want and leave what the system wants. So you just have to be patient, because it's going to take some time for this process to get completed. Yeah, there are so many files in your computer. Okay. Yeah, and to halt this command, to put this command on a halt or to cancel it, just simply press the key combination Control C. As you press and hold the Control key and the key C, Control key and the key C, and the command will be halt, as you can find here. The next command is to just simply type in sfc /scan now. Okay. This command is used to scan and repair the Windows system. That is, it's used to clean your hard disk drive, so in case it is being infected by viruses, or let's say your computer is malfunctioning in one or two ways, affected by either a software issue. This command is used to help you get rid of some of those issues relating to your computer hard disk drive. So you just have to key in this command and press enter. The command is very useful, so in case you don't have an antivirus in your personal computer, just use this command over the command line interface and you get your problem solved. Okay, so once you have done that, and for after you have keyed in this command and press enter, or you just have to wait for about approximately 1 hour 30 minutes, because it's going to take a lot of time for this command to completely execute. It's going to scan your entire system, so it's going to take some time. You can find verification 0% completed, so you can find this verification process have to run from 0% to 100%. So I tried it and it took approximately 1 hour 20 minutes to 1 hour 30 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. So those two basic commands are very helpful for all Windows users to get used to, to use in your as a result of using your computer system. It's very important for you to have knowledge about these commands at the command line interface. So I hope the video tutorial is helpful to you. If that be the case, please, all I need is subscribe to my channel to promote this channel and to get more amazing video tutorials as this. So thank you.